Hello everyone, welcome back to our English Story Podcast, episode 29. Many people talk about food in a simple way. They say it's good or it's delicious. But for some people, food means much more. For Emma, food is a passion. It is connected to her memories and feelings. When she talks about her favorite food, her face becomes bright. She doesn't just say she likes homemade pasta. She says she adores it because when she eats it, she remembers her childhood. She remembers Sunday afternoons at her grandmother's house. The kitchen was always warm. There was the smell of garlic in the air. People were laughing and talking. That pasta was not only food, it was comfort. It felt like home. Emma believes that the words we use for food show our emotions. That is why she chooses her words carefully. Instead of saying it's tasty, she says it's comforting. Instead of saying I like it, she says it reminds me of my childhood. Not all food gives her good feelings. She really can't stand fast food. She thinks it is fast and easy, but it has no soul. It doesn't not feel personal. For Emma, talking about food in English is not only about taste. It is about memories, feelings, and who we are. Sometimes the best way to understand a person is to listen to how they talk about the food they love. Key vocabulary and expressions. Number 1, adore. To love something very much. Stronger than like. Example, I absolutely adore Italian food. Number 2, homemade. Made at home, not in a factory or restaurant. Example, nothing tastes better than homemade soup. Number 3, comforting. Making you feel calm, safe, or happy. Example, this dessert is so comforting after a long day. Number 4, feels like home. Makes you feel warm, familiar, and emotionally safe. Example, her cooking really feels like home. Number 5, can't stand. To strongly dislike something. Example, I can't stand overly spicy food. Number 6, has no soul. Lacks emotion, care, or authenticity. Example, that restaurant is popular, but to me it has no soul. Next time you talk about food in English, don't just say it's delicious. Try saying it reminds me of, it makes me feel, I grow up eating. Because language becomes powerful when it becomes personal. Thank you for listening to today's episode. Don't forget to follow the podcast for more real-life English stories and conversations. See you next time.